So it's a fresh day. We are going to Alexandria on city bikes, so ripped, but RIP. It's going to be painful. And then Uber it back probably, spend some time out there. Yeah, see how things go. The hunt for city bikes seems to be going well. First one's broken. Can't read anything on the screen. It's also a very, very hot day. So we're going to die of heat exhaustion on the cycle.
We're fine.
We'll see. We'll see.
What?
Bike share. Well, one-handed camera operation. One-handed camera operation. Passing Roosevelt Island on the city bike. Probably going to crash attempting to vlog at the same time, but it's fine, it's only Isabel that's in front of me. I can now get away with singing all along the boardwalk. Couple of bird scooters down there. Right next to the Potomac River and through an underpass. I went for the overtake. She's so far behind. Aw, god damn it. About 20 minutes in and we stop for a rest in water next to Potomac. And across the river you can see George Washington's, how would you say it?
Hang on.
What's your definition of not that far?
Oh Jesus, we're like almost there. We have already gone like 3/4 of the way, maybe more.
Cool. Third water stop of the day.
I think I'm dying.
And I am ringing. Almost into Alexandria properly. Along the river edge trail. And then we'll be there. Bikes all put up. Locked up. And now I believe we're walking into the park to the waterfront. Isabel actually admitted that it was her a bad idea.
I didn't say bad idea, I said not one of my best. Not one of my best. Not bad.
Bad idea. Huh?
So that's where I got that thing from you from when I came over last time.
Yeah. So we made it to Alexandria with a beer, watermelon cocktail evening, and now we're in, what's it called?
Gadsby's Tavern.
Gadsby. That. So.
It's a cool colonial museum. It was built in sometime in the 1700s. George Washington ate here and lived kind of near here, or had a townhouse near here. Didn't live here. I mean, he did. He lived like 10 miles down the road, but.
Lived in the shrubble. Quick trip round some studios at the old torpedo factory in, where are we?
Alexandria.
It's pretty sweet. I want one as well. I want a studio now.
Yeah?
Yeah. See these people that make me want stuff that I can't afford.
Well, yeah, plus you'd have to wait for years to get a space, even if you could.
Yeah. All ready for going out for dinner. Belle is currently putting on a face. And she just ducked down. Looking good. Gonna go to Reverie. We went last time I was across, and it was top notch food, unbelievable. So looking forward to going back. They've changed some of their food menu compared to last time we were there. So we're gonna test all of them out and see how it goes at the end. Then I think it's just a chill night, and then you're working 12 till 8 tomorrow, eh? Yeah. So I shall.
Look okay, or does it look weird?
Huh?
Do my bangs look okay, or do they look weird? Well, that's not what
I think they look good.
Thanks.
So yeah, I'll see what I can get up to tomorrow. I'll probably do some client work that I was supposed to do and fell asleep at. So yeah, on to Reverie. I like that. It's the sort of build you want to buy. Reverie, solid 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, 11.
That lamb's worth an 11 on its own. So, 11 out of 10 for Reverie. Can't remember what else I was going to say. Getting distracted by stuff. But
Ooh, flip it around so I can see the Kennedy Center all lit up at night.
it's quite cool.